Sometimes there's nothing better or more personal than giving someone a homemade gift. And one that's on the top of my gift giving list this year is a super moist and super easy raspberry bread. We begin by adding some brown and white sugar, a bit of baking soda, and salt to some all-purpose flour. We give this a good mix and set it aside while we whisk an egg into some buttermilk, along with some melted butter, vegetable oil, and a little vanilla. Now we add this to our dry ingredients, and once everything's combined, we fold in some fresh raspberries that we toss with a bit of flour. You see, tossing the berries with the flour prevents them from sinking to the bottom of the batter while it bakes. Then this goes into a loaf pan and we pop it in the oven for about an hour or until it passes the toothpick test. After this cools a bit, it's ready to slice and serve. Or if you wrap it in cellophane and fancy it up with some ribbon, it makes the perfect homemade gift. To get the recipe for our Razzle-Dazzle Raspberry Bread, along with the recipe for our addictive white chocolate cream cheese to smear on it, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a razzle-dazzling way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.